Hello Saber Forum, this is E-Rock here. Just doing a little bit of a review of a Saber font that was sort of commissioned to me by Zren Tobas for the forums. He wanted a Kit Fisto sounding Saber, so I found a few things and pieced it together, and this is what I came up with. I have to use my son's prophecy because my bellicose had a failure or something when I was uploading the font, and I don't know. Anyway, Emery, I sent you an email. I hope it can be fixed. Anyway, so, Kit Fisto. Alright, and then we have some clashes. Anyway, I'm pretty happy with it. Yeah, it's up for grabs if you like it. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.